Hey everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today I have a little bit of an update slash future planning video for you guys. So I have not posted a video in a really long time. I totally sucked at my card a day challenge. I was really gung-ho for the first week and a half, and then I realized what a big undertaking it was. And then I also ended up getting my first COVID vaccine, which I had a pretty nasty reaction to. I was having some allergy issues and it just ramped up my allergies hardcore. I felt almost sick with it because my allergies were just so bad. My congestion was bad. I was coughing because of the drainage. It was just terrible. I didn't have a fever or anything. It just ramped up my allergies super bad, and I was having trouble sleeping, so I ended up getting a few migraines with it. And even before all of that happened, I was already not enjoying the challenge. Day 13 or 14, I was right at the 2-week mark, and I was like, wow, this is just really hard to commit to this every day. And so I was already kind of not into it. I totally just forgot about the challenge. I was in survival mode there for a good 2 weeks. I didn't do anything except take care of the kids and put dinner on the table. That was it. No chores, no cleaning, no nothing. My husband was a total rock star and took care of everything else. I just got dinner on the table and that was it. But even before that, my Mojo was totally gone, and I really haven't done a whole lot of scrapbooking since, so I ended up having all of my cards in this box. So I'm gonna walk through some of the cards and talk about a couple of future things. So I ended up posting, I think, all of these to the blog. I think they have all been posted. So I'm not gonna walk through supplies or anything. You can check out the blog and find the card to look at supplies. I just wanted to kind of flip through them and talk about them just a minute, and then we'll talk about videos moving forward. I've got a little bit of a plan. I really want to get back to posting weekly for you guys. It's just been such a struggle for me lately. It's just been one thing after the next, so I really hate committing to something and then flaming out about it. So I'm just gonna try my best, like always, and hope for the best. So let's just walk through these real quick and then we'll talk about schedule. So here's the little rainbow one. I had trouble lining up the rainbow. You can see at the bottom, they're not all lined up, but I really like how that one turned out. It's really eclectic looking there. And then I've got one with some old Stampin' Up stuff. I actually ended up using quite a bit of old Stampin' Up stuff. So that's all die cuts and a little bit of stamps on there. And then some really old Paper Smooches stamps. This set was so old I could not find it in stock anywhere. It's been years and years. I think I got that one when we were in Illinois, which is a long time ago. And then one I made, and this one was actually really challenging. I thought it would take just a few minutes to do the double and triple stamping, but it took me forever to get this done. Trying to line them up was really hard, and you can see some of them are not lined up. I could not figure out how to get some of them lined up just right. And then another old Stampin' Up one. And then this one I really liked. I had fun coloring that one. That's a greeting. These are all Greeting Farm little people. And then some new Lawn Fawn, which I really liked playing with those. And then I made this one a while back, actually. Some of these are older. And then this one was a really old one too. And again another really old card. I think this one is too. Some of these are from earlier, first part of the year. That one. And then a really old mermaid one as well. That was from that mermaid kit from the Greeting Farm. Both of those. And then an Easter Anya, which they have a different Easter Anya now. And I like these little flags. I got these from Lawn Fawn. They've got a few different of the little banners, and I like those a lot. And then a set I got from Mama Elephant from my bestie. She also gave me this Lawn Fawn set. Super cute. And I had said in a haul a really long time ago that I had accidentally gotten these, what are they, stitched bouncy trails? Something like that. It's a die set, but it's not a complete cut through. It just makes the stitched thing. Well, I thought they were the puffy clouds, and I realized they were these trails, but they actually look really cute on the card. So I was happy I accidentally got those, because ordinarily that's just something I totally would overlook and not purchase. I just happened to think they were clouds, and that's how I ended up purchasing them. They look super cute on there. And then a birthday card. This is another old Stampin' Up set, but I used the Lawn Fawn banner for that. And this is the one of the other Lawn Fawn banners that goes in that set. Super cute. And then this is a stamp set from the Greeting Farm. I just built a scene with that one. And that was it. So I think I ended up maybe making one or two that I ended up giving for various birthdays, but that was the bulk of what I made for this month. So I still have quite a bit left that I didn't end up using. So I still have this all sitting on my desk. I haven't been in here very much. I've been actually making t-shirts. So I have a t-shirt video coming up for you guys soon. I've got all these still left to go for the challenge. Tons of stuff. So I really only made it like halfway through the month. Still have plenty of things I can still work on. So this is something I'm going to still be working on. I want to get back to doing 4 layouts a month and 4 cards a month. So that's going to still be in my card challenge. Still going through the same stamp sets I had picked out so that I can actually go and use those. And I don't think I even did any scrapbook pages for the month of April. And so far in May, we are actually halfway through May right now. I've made no scrapbook pages yet. So I really feel behind on my challenge, but just, you know, life has happened lately. So yeah, I was sick for almost 2 weeks from the first shot. There was like a week reprieve, and then I ended up getting the second shot. I actually got my mom to come stay with us for 2 weeks in case I got sick again for the second shot, because everybody says the second shot was way worse. Well, mine happened to be my first shot was bad. I ended up taking Benadryl the days before my shot this last time, so I didn't have much of a reaction. I had a very light allergic reaction where my lips and my tongue got a little bit tingly and swollen, but it didn't end up turning into anything serious. It was just a very, very light, mild allergic reaction. So I think I'm just allergic to something in this vaccine, which has never happened to me before with any kind of medicine or shot or anything. So it was very unusual, but thankfully I wasn't sick. But my mom left. We have 1 week, and then Johnny's parents are coming for a week. So again, I'm not gonna have much time to actually get in here and do anything, but I do plan on getting 4 layouts made this month, and I'm gonna try to get a little bit more caught up on my project life. I've been just dabbling with it here and there, but not even keeping up with the month to month. I was doing so good the first 3 months of the year, and then all heck broke loose. The shot was the beginning of me totally getting off track for things. So I'm gonna try my best to start catching up in May and in June and get back into the routine. It's like once I get out of the routine, it's hard for me to jump back in and find the motivation to stick with it anymore, because I feel a little bit behind and then I get a little discouraged, and I'm sure I'm not the only one who feels like that with it. So I just need to take it a little at a time and get back into it. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I still have my March, which turned into my April kit. I think this was my February kit, turned into March. Also didn't do anything for April. So this is now into my May kit. I'm gonna stick with the same kit that I had put together before. I've got my doodads in a little container. So I will just continue to use the same kit that I had put together previously. I definitely have plans to do some progress videos for you guys as I'm working on scrapbooking again. And I also have filmed a t-shirt video. I was making some t-shirts for a friend. So I have a video of that, and I have some pictures of other t-shirts that I actually have made since then as well. So I will include that in with that video for t-shirt making. But that's basically all the craftiness I've done lately, is just the t-shirt. I just wanted to show you guys the progress, talk about it a little bit, show you guys how I failed at the challenge. It was just a lot. I should have stuck with really just trying to do the 4 layouts and 4 scrapbook pages. But I just really wanted to do some card making, especially after I had worked on my stamp inventory, because that was a very time-consuming endeavor, putting this thing together. And I really wanted to just dive in and play around with it a little bit more. So I just need to commit to getting in here a little bit more. It's been almost 2 weeks since our last shot, and I'm feeling definitely back to normal all the way, but it took a while, even just feeling a little bit sleepier like the week after the shot. But yeah, I've got a couple of plans coming up, so I hope you guys liked this video. I hope some of you guys can relate to your Scrappy and Crafty Mojo just kind of ebbing and flowing, because that's definitely what's been happening to me. We're like wrapping up the end of the school year in the next few weeks, so that's been a lot of extra stuff to keep track of, because there's always end of school year celebrations and excitement and things, and having visitors on and off, and getting ready for new visitors coming up in a week. The scrapping is just not a high priority, which is hard, because in my mind and in my heart, I really want to get into the scrapbooking, and it's just, there's not enough hours and not enough energy in the day, especially trying to get my stuff together, getting into exercising and fitness. Some of the weeks that I haven't been able to do the fitness because of just being tired and feeling sick, it's been really hard, because I felt like getting into the working out has been such an energy boost, but it's also very time consuming, and my time is very limited when I'm home chasing a toddler around. I have nap time and I have after she goes to bed, and that's like all of my free time. The free time is very tight, so I'm just working around that the best I can, and hopefully I will have more videos for you guys coming up soon. I really want to get back into doing the weekly, but again, I'm not committing to it because I suck at commitments right now. It's just life. But I hope you guys are well. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you guys are up to as far as creative stuff goes, and I will catch you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.